Well, viewers, it's India's big AI moment. India is all set to host, of course, and the Artificial Intelligence Impact Summit 2026 that is currently underway in the national capital. The theme of the summit is AI for people, planet and progress. And most importantly, it will be the first ever global AI summit to be hosted in the global south. So it's a very important event, and a lot is also lined up. Over the next 5 days, we're going to see a lot more that has been lined up as well. The Prime Minister, of course, inaugurated the India AI Impact Expo at Bharat Mandapam, and world leaders from across nations are a part of it. And today is also all the more special because you have the French President Emmanuel Macron, who has also arrived in the country. He will be meeting Prime Minister Modi in Mumbai later. And this will, of course, be towards strengthening the India-France strategic partnership as well. So let's talk about what's expected in the AI summit. There are CEOs of almost all major tech companies that are in attendance. And Google Sundar Pichai, OpenAI Sam Altman and NVIDIA's Jensen Huang have said that they will be attending this summit. So there is a lot to expect, and it places India at the center of the AI conversation globally. So it's a very significant summit that's underway, and for 5 days the eyes of the entire world are going to be on India. My colleague Mohit Bhatt joins us on the broadcast with the details. It's quite a grand event, Mohit, and one that is being watched world over. And what's expected today, there is a very strong lineup as well. We have policy makers, think tanks from across the globe that are going to be in attendance.
Well, yes, the CEOs of the global tech companies, policy makers, research scholars and ministers, they're all here in Delhi for this global AI summit. Now look at these visuals around here. Now various companies from all across the world, they have come over here to showcase their innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. And this particular summit, AI Impact Summit, is basically based on 3 guiding sutras which are being mentioned over here. That is people. That AI should be people friendly. It should benefit people. Secondly, planet. Because the AI has to be eco-friendly, and we should use AI in the terms that we can do something for the planet too. Also about progress, that how the human progress can take place when it comes to the use of AI, that all will be deliberated, and these are the 3 guiding sutras of this particular summit. We know for a fact that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday inaugurated the summit, and he at the plenary session on 19th we'll hear from the Prime Minister. But we have seen that how the government has been saying that we have to have the judicial use of AI. Now, we also know for a fact that world over, various human jobs have been impacted by the use of artificial intelligence. How do we counter that? Because the government says that we need to ensure that AI works for the people, not against people, and that is why this particular AI summit is important. It's first in the global south, and you get these visuals. Now, these are 7 chakras that are being followed in this particular summit. That is AI for economic development and social good, human capital, inclusion for social empowerment, safe and trusted AI science, and safety is something, Pratibha, which is of utmost importance. We know that how there have been concerns world over about the deepfakes. How do we counter that? How do we use the artificial intelligence to minimize the human error? How to increase the potential of anything that we use? So we have to work on that, and perhaps that is why this AI summit is also very, very important. And we know that from Sam Altman to the various other global CEOs of the pioneer AI companies, they are all here in India, and they will be delivering lectures, and they will be also investing in India. We know for a fact that how investment is also very important. AI for jobs is also the motto of the government.
And this comes at a time, Mohit, when initially there were a lot of concerns around AI taking jobs, and as India has said time and again, humans are going to be at the center of this entire AI revolution. So not concerned, we should be looking forward to the changes that we can bring in the world due to AI. Do stay with us. We have more breaking